to the MACS video on using your center's drill down case list. In this video, we'll cover converting your data to a table, understanding the variable names, filtering your data, and applying conditional formatting. Let's get started. How do I convert my data to a table? After you've downloaded your drill down case list, converting your file to a table format allows you to easily filter and search your data. Let me show you. First, we'll click on the Insert tab on the ribbon and then the Table option. You should see a dialog box with a My Table Has Headers box checked, and green dashed lines around your data. After clicking OK, there are now arrowheads next to each of our variable names. Clicking in the Table Styles box will allow you to remove the table shading if you find it hard to read. What do the variable names mean at the top of each column? Variable names that start with the letter Q signal variables that were named by Qualtrics. We created a Qualtrics codebook on our website to help, which we'll review in a moment. Variable names with text are variables that were created by the MACS analysts. The variables named index_all, index_appy, index_gb, etc. are used to signal if a case is an index visit, which is represented by a value of a 1, or a readmission, which is represented by a value of a 2. Let's do an example using filtering. How do I filter my data? Clicking on the arrowheads next to the variable names at the top of each column will allow you to easily filter your data. Looking at our fictional patients, let's filter the data so it only displays 2021 and 2022 cases. After the filter is applied, you may notice that the arrowhead has a filter icon present to tell you that a filter is being applied. Now, let's look at our gallbladder patients that were readmitted by clicking 2 under Index Gallbladder. Since the value 2 for the variable index_gallbladder, or GB, means readmission, we are now only seeing the patients that were readmitted. Finally, let's sort the patients so we can see all the same patients together. We can do this by either sorting their name or their MRN. Filtering is also used in the Qualtrics codebook. Let's say I want to know what Q4 means. Clicking the arrowhead gives me a host of searching options. Here, I don't want to search through all the terms, so I'll enter Q4 and select the option that I want. Here we see that Q4 is date of birth. How do I apply conditional formatting to see duplicates? Identifying duplicates is a helpful tool for identifying patients that may have had more than one admission, especially if you have a long list of patients. Let's take a look. First, you'll select your patients. Then, on the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting on the ribbon and choose the Highlight Cell Rules and Duplicate Values. Clicking on OK highlights all the duplicate values. We can even filter by color by clicking on the arrowhead. This concludes our video on using your center's drill-down case list. Thank you.